The title of my presentation is Emotion Regulation and the Tendency to Lie. Several empirical studies have suggested a circular causal relationship between lying and emotion regulation. They have investigated indirectly this relationship based on measures of negative emotions and not for the emotion regulation. The present research investigates for the first time, to my knowledge, directly and systematically the above mentioned relationship. The main theoretical assumption was that one's tendency to not be dedicated to seeking and communicating the truth could hinder an effective emotional regulation because the needed informational feedback for such a regulation is distorted. Consequently, those who tend to lie should have emotion regulation problems. This general assumption was translated into two hypotheses. The tendency to lie should correlate positively with emotional dysregulation, and the tendency to lie should correlate negatively with the self-reported level of satisfaction with one's emotions and their expressions. In my pilot correlational study, participated 32 undergraduates with a mean age of 21 years. Two instruments were used: difficulties in emotion regulation scale and the questionnaire for the emotion regulation goals. The level of satisfaction regarding the respondents' affective feelings and their expression was assessed on several dimensions: intensity, durations, frequency, and type. The results showed that the tendency to lie correlated positively with emotion dysregulation, and the tendency to lie correlated positively with the level of dissatisfaction with one's own emotions, respectively dissatisfaction with excessive negative emotions and dissatisfaction with deficient positive emotions. Also, the tendency to lie correlated positively with the level of dissatisfaction with the expression of one's own emotions. In conclusion, the data supported the hypothesis. The obtained relationship may mean that improving emotion regulation may decrease the tendency to lie, or that decreasing the tendency to lie may improve one's emotion regulation. More research is needed with larger and more heterogeneous samples with different instruments and with experimental design to find out the causal relationship between the tendency to lie and emotional dysregulation. Thank you.